Urugoria wa Gicukiro kia meri cia gukua maguta gya Kipevu kaunti-ini ya Mombasa ni undu tanyitwo kuhumura Akenya aria o mweri makoretwo magieterera kumenya mathogora meru ma maguta maria maita maingi makoretwo makiongerereka. Akiaria hindi ya urugoria wa Gicukiro giki kiria giakitwo na muigana wa shilingi bilioni 40, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atariria ati bururi ni ukuhota kuhonokia kigina kinene kumana na kuhiuhia kwa ufokori wa meri ici, undu uria muthia ukurigiriria kunyihia thogora wa maguta bururi-ini.
This new Kipevu oil terminal, which will go a huge distance towards ensuring that we are able to reduce not only the cost of fuel to our people, but also to ensure that Kenya is able to consistently have an adequate supply of fuel.
Ningĩ President Kenyatta ni agwetete uria Gicukiro giki guteithiriria nginyagia mabũrũri mangĩ ta Uganda, Burundi na Rwanda guko gigiteithiriria hanene hari kugeta Kenya kiwonjoria.
Once fully commissioned, as you heard from the minister, in a few weeks' time, will result in a saving of almost 2 billion shillings that we are currently paying every year because of demurrage occasioned by the long queues of vessels parked outside our harbor waiting to discharge their product.
This facility is timely as it will address the twin challenges of growing volumes of imported petroleum products, while at the same time cutting demurrage costs, which has contributed significantly to the high cost of oil products in the region.
President no arutite mahitia miario ya atongoria amwe aria makoretwo makimumenereria ni gwikirira tabarira iria nene cia uthii wa na mbere, uko akiuga muthia tabarira ici ni iguteithiriria hanene hari kuhuthia wonjoria nginyagia wa Kenya gikiro gia thi.
With development, we are able to improve our people's ability to do business and ultimately reduce the cost of doing business as well as the cost of living in our country.
Ona kuri uguo nyitaniri wa Kenya na bururi wa China ni uteteirwo na njira nene, thirikari ikiuga bururi wa China ukoretwo ri gituge kia hinya na kiria giteithiririe hanene gukinyaniria tabarira cia kuguna Kenya.
Our partnership with China is not a partnership based on China telling us what we need. It is a partnership of friends working together to meet Kenya's social economic agenda.
Gicukiro giki gitanyitwo gukinyaniria ufokori wa makiria tani 70,000 cia maguta hari o muthenya, mugaru na tani 35,000 iria irafokoragwo hau kabere. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.